What's good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92, nigga. I'm tired of a mother hoe, nigga. But yeah, man, just got back from the God weekend. Shout out to the vlog. Go watch that jump. This vid should have came after the vlog. So if you didn't watch the vlog, go watch that. Then come back so I can get double views, nigga. But yeah, man. Shout out to the God weekend. B-Day was lit. God Day was lit. So I just want to thank my girl once again for everything. You killed that shit, girl. You killed that shit, girl. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get into these shoes, man. These shoes, we pulled up to the crib and we was outside the door. Outside the door. These actually, I bought these from Journeys. As you can see, we got a cop from Journeys, nigga. I don't really buy from Journeys, so this is a first on the channel. But yeah, I copped these thanks to Sneaker Steals. If you don't follow that page, you definitely should, and get that damn app. That app be saving lives, cuz. Turn them notifications on for that app. And you know what? While we opening this box, go ahead and sub to the channel. All that good shit. Hit that thumbs up, like, weak ass tape, man. But yeah, today we got a shoe I never show on this channel because I don't own any. Well, I own something. I just did a custom. But yeah, we got the letter of authentication, nigga. Right there. But today, I don't know if y'all might have seen it already, but we got some motherfucking Vans, cuz. Got my Vans on where they look like sneakers. Oh, I got a $5 off. Oh, you got it at 25. Boy, this bullshit. But yeah, man, we got some Vans. I ain't gonna read off official colorway. Y'all know how unboxing is. It's just a quick look through, and so y'all see, damn, these joints clean though. I ain't gonna hold you. Just a quick look through, so y'all know what's coming up on Saturday as far as reviews go. But yeah, this is what I picked up. Is this my size? Yeah, boy, I was fitting to be tight. But this is what I picked up, man. These joints clean. Once again, shout out to Sneaker Steals. I think they still available. They was actually selling out quick. Damn, these some good material. They was selling out quick when I copped them. I could barely find my size, but I guess more sizes became available. But I had to cop these jumps, little MTV Yo rap looking jumps. And these are fire. I picked up a shirt today to match these. And yeah, man, I can't wait to throw these on. Can't wait to give y'all the official review. This ain't. Pull this other shoe out. And we gonna get smack into it, man. It ain't gonna be an official review. I'm kinda tired. I've been sitting in the car all day driving. It took us like 3 hours and some change to get back home. But yeah, the damn air done cut back on because it's hot as shit in here. So that means it's time for me to go. But a little quick unboxing, just some Vans I got from Journeys. I'm gonna try to put a link in the description. If you haven't followed Sneaker Steals on Instagram and download their app, you playing yourself if you call yourself a sneaker head. I just found out they have an app, so I've been on that app faithfully. And it ain't even just about shoes. They show y'all promotions for like clothing, Nike, dry fit, dry snitch, all that shit. Nigga, like, that shit was low-key bars. Shout out to Kanye. But yeah, man, go ahead and join the Sneaker Steals family, cause you know I am. And tell them the Finesse God sent you. It ain't gonna mean shit, but just do it anyway. But yeah, man, these Vans is fire. Can't wait for the official review of these. And yeah, we got the Vans, whatever they call, Crazy Check. How about that? That's what it's called. It's called the Crazy Check. I am dead ass serious. That is what they call. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Join that motherfucking God Squad, nigga. For the God Day one time, the boy 26 in this bitch. Nigga, we lit and all that good shit. So join the God Squad. Share with your peoples. Official review coming Saturday. You won't find anything. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. Fuck out of here. And follow our page, Next God Masterpieces. Go cop y'all some dope, fire ass art by me, cuzzy. And yeah, man, watch the vlog. Watch the Losing Virginity story time. I was drunk. That's all I'm saying. Gone wrong. Losing virginity gone wrong. Not even gone wrong, gone horrible. Horrible. But yeah, go watch that. Go watch all my other vids. I got some more stuff coming up for y'all. I might show y'all my pickups from the outlets or whatnot. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank you for watching. And I think I said everything I need to say. So go enjoy that vlog. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And after all that, I can say I love you. And I want to thank you for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.